Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 2124th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Thank you for tuning in. And let me just say that my video on Tuesday night for Trading Wednesday, an 0 and 4. I went 0 for 4 in my video last night. Gold, I called the upside, wrong. Even the S&P, Russell, wrong. Euro, wrong. 0 for 4 on Tuesday night's video for Wednesday. You know, traders, I've been doing this for 39 years. I get getting 2 or 3 of them wrong for the day. All 4? My goodness. I'm sorry, kids. Whatever that was, we had a bad day on Wednesday. Omni's been having a fantastic run week after week, but not on Wednesday. So let's get rid of that nastiness. Glad to get it out of my fingers, out of my hands, out of my fingertips for Wednesday, and let's get right back to making points on Thursday. This video is for trading on June 25th, 2020. That is Wednesday night through Thursday. As I just illustrated to you, this can be a very risky business. There's no way the Omni can win every day or be right every day. So know that you've got to put your stops in. You've got to put them in first. This is not suitable for all traders, and you must have risk capital to lose, and I mean that's absolutely possible if you are to play this game. If you do put stops in, if you understand the rules of risk, then let's get going, and I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com. So what's before our eyes? Russell 2000 daily bar turns out to be a down day on Wednesday. It flips Omni to red, and now Omni wants to sell rallies. The thing is, the flag on the Russell, the bull flag, this purple thing, is flying at full mast right now. However, if you look at the settlement price, it puts us basically right in the middle of the flag. From here, I'm allowed to do anything I want. So whatever Omni says to do, I will do. And of course, we get back to the top of this flag, and it looks like it's going to break out. I'm not selling anything. But for now, you know, fair game. I'll take whatever Omni says because we're out in the middle of this flag right now. But the flag is huge, and the gyrations inside this flag, you must understand, you can go from all the way up here, bringing you to a price of about $14.60. You could go all the way down to here, $13.60, and be inside of the flag. You know how I know that? It's exactly what happened on Monday and Tuesday. We went from $14.60 to $13.60, and we're inside the flag. Now, the top of the flag used to be here. But being that the market moved up and down a little bit the last 2 days, I've expanded my flag, and now the top of it is here. But I'm leaving this as a reminder. So that's what I'm looking at in the Russell, and we are going to have to sell rallies if we are going to play the Omni on the Russell for trading on Thursday. And look at the E-mini S&P, very interesting spot as well. Look at the spot the E-mini is in. So right now, same sort of thing. Another nice bull flag, but you hit the bottom trend line here and the 200 bar moving average illustrated by this light blue line all comes together right at the bottom of that flag. So it looks like the flag at some point will work. If you do take a short for Thursday, be very nimble with your profits. If you get in, take your profits, get back out, and sidestep it, because the larger picture is that is a bull flag that you're looking at right there. And usually they work. Not all the time, nothing's 100%, but usually a bull or bear flag will do its job and pay off. Let's go look at one other specimen here. Gold. We talked about gold getting through the triple top. And in fact, that is what it did for a brief period. It went through the triple top, but it turned around and came smashing back down. It has turned my Omni red. And if I were to trade gold on Thursday, I would be selling the rallies in tune with the Omni. So what should happen is now that the triple top looks like it's been established to be one, you should get some down days here, right? Should be down day, like looks like this one could be the one that's starting on Wednesday night, and maybe another down day. We'll see what's going to transpire, but one day at a time because we are day traders. But you should end up with something like this now that there's been a reaction up here. So let's see, we'll take it one day at a time. If I were to trade gold on Thursday, I would be selling rallies, thank you to the Red Omni. Traders, I hope to meet you all in my live trading room at livewithoscar.com. My apologies for Wednesday's bad calls, but listen, Omni can't be 100%. It's been doing really well, but nothing's 100%. Always put your stops in. So there are no credit cards required. You can join me in my live trading room. Just come on down, fill out a quick brief form. You know, it's basically a username, password, jump into the chat room, and we'll get together. And I'd like to see you there, and we'll discuss these markets in further detail. Remember to keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to keep those emotions at bay, and I know that's not easy, but try this exercise. Say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll traders, I hope to see you all at livewithoscar.com.